Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. Extra points if you get that reference. I wanted to hop on here and explain the test part 1 and 2 to you guys because I'm noticing some confusion. So, written test part 1. Please make sure you are reading all the instructions. I am getting a lot of tests right now that don't have this beginning part filled out. Okay? You're supposed to create this conversation between Jorge and his mom, and he's supposed to have an injury, any illness you pick, but it has to make sense with the conversation, and you have to conjugate the verbs as if they are talking. That's the point of that, okay? And that's 10 points. So if you're skipping that and missing that, that's already putting you below what you want for your grade, okay? Part 2, most of you are getting that. You look at the picture and give me a sentence or a problem that makes sense with the picture that's given, and then give that person advice on how to get better. If it's an illness, if it's a broken leg, bone, whatever you write the sentence about that makes sense, make sure the advice makes sense too. Just be careful. Some of you with the you put a sentence about this one here, say it's a broken arm or a broken wrist, and then your advice is be careful. Try to be a little more in depth than just be careful. I know I didn't put the exact verb you need to use or exact phrase, but I want you guys to try to also use what you would actually tell somebody. Somebody had a broken arm right in front of you, you would tell them, go to the doctor, or go to the hospital. So try to make your answers make sense. Don't just pick anything and write them in. Also, you can use your 4.2 notes. I posted those on the Google Classroom. What day was that? I believe Monday. So down here, if you notice April 6th post, I put the video about what we had to do, and then I put the answers. So it's the whole packet, the 4.2 packet, with all the answers already filled out. So in case you lost it, forgot it, left it at school, whatever, it's here. So please don't use Google either, because I'm also noticing some of you who don't speak Spanish very well having very elaborate vocabulary for these written responses. So please just use what you're given. If you use that, you will find the correct answer, and I will accept it as the correct answer. But if I keep seeing Googled answers or answers that I know aren't in your vocabulary, that's where we have a problem, okay? So use the resources you are given. But like I said, if you're a native Spanish speaker, that doesn't apply to you, okay? All right, so part 2 of your test. This is on Quizizz.com. So most of you have already gone on Quizizz, you set up your account, you're good to go. For those of you who haven't done that yet, just know you have to accept the invitation in your email first. So use that search feature on your email, find it from Quizizz.com, get into the classroom. It's going to ask you to set up your profile, okay? So you're going to have to pick 3 classes. It might ask you some information. Just answer all the questions they're asking, and it will take you to the quiz, okay? Once you get to the quiz, you have 2 links here, right? You can use a mobile link if you're on your phone, web link if you're on a computer or Chromebook. I did give you about 5 minutes for each question, okay? 5 minutes is a lot of time. If you have your notes sitting open right next to you or on a tab right next to you, you'll be great, okay? So use the resources. Hold on, I'm trying to pull up Quizizz and it's doing a lot. Hold on. But use the resources while you're taking your test so you don't have to waste time. Again, please don't Google things because I made it pretty easy for you to be able to get in there and to do well on this without having to do that. It's all the things we've been going over. There's no trick questions on there. It's just stuff that we've already taught. I even kept out the past participles because that stuff was new and we hadn't gone over it in person, so I didn't put it on here. So I'm going to go into my Quizizz. Sorry, you guys are seeing a lot on the screen. And it's the 4.2 test, body parts, injuries, and giving advice, okay? So that's already been assigned. The link is already live. I made it live until the end of the month because some of you have been lagging on getting stuff in on time. But please don't wait to do this. You guys have spring break coming up Thursday, 3 o'clock. You are free, okay? So make sure you're getting this work done before then, so that way you're good to go and you can enjoy your spring break and rest. I'm not going to be sending any emails. I'm not going to be assigning anything. So I want you to take that time and really take care of yourselves, focus on yourself, your family, and I don't want you guys to have anything that you have to worry about. So get this done before Thursday at 3 o'clock, then you're free as a bird. If you have any questions, you guys know what to do. Email me, leave comments. I'm doing my best to get back to you as soon as possible. All right, take care of yourselves, guys. Have a good one, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.